Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best sewing machines that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Computerized Sewing Machine XR9550PRW. This computerized brother sewing machine is popular for offering many exciting features, while being an easy-to-use machine. This machine has 110 built-in stitches and 8 styles of one-step buttonholes, so you can personalize your sewing projects with ease. This machine offers free arm capability when sewing sleeves and drop feed for quilting projects. The large LCD screen makes it easy to adjust the stitch width, length and style. We love that it includes 8 different presser feet, a wide table for larger projects, and a protective hard case for easy moving. At number 4. Start 1304. This sewing machine offers the best punch for its value. With a metal frame and classic Singer features, this machine is great for simple projects like hemming, DIY crafts, and mastering the basics. With 3 presser feet included, you can add buttonholes, zippers, and piping. There are 6 stitches, including straight, zigzag, scallop, and twin needle sewing. Reviewers love its small size, so it can easily be stashed away when not in use. This free arm sewing machine has a ton of other features like easy stitch selection, automatic bobbin winding system, free arm, built-in reverse, easy threading, adjustable tension settings, and extra high presser foot lifter. At number 3. 7258 Computerized Sewing Machine. This sewing machine has an easy-to-use interface for beginner sewers, but can take on more challenging projects. For beginners, we love that there's a top drop-in bobbin, which is easier to thread than the standard style. There's a start-stop button to stop suddenly if you made a mistake. Plus, the speed is adjustable for extra control. With over 100 stitches, 6 buttonhole options, programmable needle up-down, this machine is well suited for more advanced sewing projects as you advance. Reviewers recommend adjusting the tension when you sew on different fabrics to find what works best. At number 2. Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine SE1900. If you want embroidery capabilities, make sure to shop for an embroidery machine in particular. This model offers excellent features, without as high of a price tag. The large, in-color, LCD screen makes it easy to preview and edit all embroidery designs. Although the machine already has 138 built-in designs, there's a USB port to import your own designs, plus thousands of options from Brother Online. With free motion sewing, a bright work area, and an automatic needle threader, this machine can do both embroidery and standard sewing. You can make your own clothes then personalize them with embroidery designs and text. If you sew and embroider every day, try a luxury model for even more features. At number 1. Quantum Stylist 9960 Sewing Machine. If you plan on using your sewing machine mainly for fashion sewing, you want certain features, free arm capabilities for sleeves and cuffs, presser feet specific for hems and zippers, and a variety of stitches and buttonholes. Singer 9960 Quantum is ideal. Stitches can be easily selected from the bright LCD screen with over 600 options. With great ease of use features like adjustable speed, automatic needle threading, and 12 included feet for a variety of needs. Plus, this machine has a maximum sewing speed of 850 stitches per minute for the speedy seamstress. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.